when you're cleaning out around a brake, you want to activate your brake so you can get those bends in away from the plastic, like that. Now you can get your screwdriver in around and get all the old crap out in around the brake there. So that'll work free. Right, the rest of that there will blow out. And don't forget to put your brake back to off. That's the stuff that came out of the saw right there. Only some of the stuff. And that's not what I blew out. I blew out a lot. Anyway, so she's pretty good there now. Clean the whole carbon off the spark plug. And let's get on that one. Check the gap. The gap on that one is pretty good. Okay, now your bar. Check your tip. Make sure there's no play in it. That's the oil holes right there for your tip. And down here is the oil, where your oil goes in to the chain itself. And if those guides right there are not clean, right down to these holes right there, you're not going to get any oil in your chain. So you want to clean all that out. Clean it out really well. With your spark plug wrench supplied with the saw. Usually they're made for that, so you can hear the sound right on up through. And you can see in and see the bar right up through. Make sure there's nothing, no sawdust in that in the way. And it's very important that those holes be clean. Okay, they're clean. And you can see the light in through the hole where the oil goes in there and goes in there. So you got to make sure that they're really cleaned out. Now there's another thing you do with the bar. Just check this edge on your bar right here. Sometimes after your chain has been going around and around and around, it folds the cutter bar over. You can feel it with your fingers. It's not too bad on this one, but sometimes you get it. What you do with that, you just take your file and file the edge off. A little bit on there. Just file that edge off. Right on down along on each side of the bar. There and there. Okay, I got that done. I ran the file right along on each side. That takes care of that little green, that little lip. It's called. Okay, that's important. Check this tip for play. There should be a little bit in there. It's a good time for you to grease the tip too, but you can clean out the holes. The best time to do that is when it's on the saw. So she's ready to go back together. We reverse the taking apart procedure to put it back together. So you got that cleaned. Don't over tighten any screws on this saw. No need of that. spark plug, I torque that in. Now the plastic piece comes on. The little piece there clips in. Wires go in. Spark plug wire on. Goes down in place. The cover's on there now. Don't over tighten those screws. Just tighten them. It's all plastic. So if you tighten it too much, you're going to break them off. Okay, the next thing is this side panel. Side piece there. And the chain. And the bar. Okay, sometimes just turn over the bar. When you put it on this time, give it a chance to wear on the other side. Okay, the chain is on. Make sure the chain is running this way so it's cutting, and make sure your brake is off before you put it on your saw. Screw those in. Now before you tighten up your bar tight, just give yourself run the chain around your bar a couple times and just pull up on it. Give it the right amount of tension. You need it about 3/8 probably, quarter. That much there I got. Just that's good there. And tighten her down. Now is a good time to put some grease in the tip. The grease I'm using is CV joint grease. It's about right consistency for this. And there's a hole on both sides. You can hear it coming in there. So there you go. It's good for another few days. Now the next thing goes on is the top. Okay, the next thing is this cover. It's the last thing actually. Spark plug wrench, or spark plug, I tightened that down. So the cover goes on. Should start it up before, I suppose. Let's see how everything is going to be. Now torque it down with a screwdriver. That one never went in very far. Finger tight. Oh, that's it. She's ready to try. Anyway, that's regular maintenance that needs to be done on your saw, and your saw will always love you for that little piece of stuff. So we'll see now we get that one going.